Hello students, today we are going to discuss the comparison between electrostatic and gravitational force. Uh, देखिए इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के बारे में कंपैरिजन करेंगे. The electrostatic force is much greater than gravitational force. इट मीन्स जो इलेक्ट्रिक स्टैटिक फोर्स होता है जो दो चार्ज पार्टिकल्स के बीच में, वो क्या होता है, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. ठीक है. सो वी कैन राइट दैट द मैग्नीट्यूड मैग्नीट्यूड of the electrostatic electrostatic force acting between the two charge particles is very large. जो आपका इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. ठीक है. एज कंपेयर्ड टू द gravitational force acting between them. Considered this is a proton and this is electron. Okay, this is proton and this is electron. Okay, the charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and the charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. If we talk about the mass, and the mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power 27 kg. Okay, and the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Okay, since we know that the electrostatic force will be work between the charges and the gravitational force will be work between their masses. So first of all, we will find electrostatic force. Okay, let the distance between them is smaller. So this is electrostatic force Fe, that is electrostatic force Fe, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. ठीक है, let's, this is q1 charge and this is q2 charge. Okay, so that is q1 by q2 by r square. So Fe is an equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9, and q1 is proton, then charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Similarly, q2 is electron, then 1.6 into 10 to the power 19, and distance is r square Newton. Okay, this is equation first. Okay, now we will find the gravitational force between them. So that is Fg by the formula G m1 m2 by r squares. So what you will get, the value of G is 6.67 10 to the power minus 11, and mass of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 27, and the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 upon this is equation second. Now we divide Fe by Fg. So what will we get? We will get Fe upon Fg is equal to, so when we will divide both forces, then r square will be cancelled out. So what we will get? We will get 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 upon 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 and 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. After solving this, we will get 2.27 to 10 to the power 39. That is Fe by Fg. So the relation between Fe is an equal to 2.27 into 10 to the power 39 into Fg. So by this equation we came to know that the value of electrostatic force is very large than the gravitational force. Okay, okay students, if you are new, subscribe my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.